What's up, Fruitful investors? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can flip houses with no money, no crazy sketches or schemes. I'm telling you, no money. Stay tuned. Too hard to believe? Absolutely not. You can definitely flip houses with no money using the strategies I'm going to show you. Nothing really weird, just maybe you didn't think about it this way. Number one, how you can flip houses without any of your own money is, most importantly, you need to get a real deal. Now, very important. I'm going to underline this like a million times. A real deal. What does that mean? Very far under market value. So if you have no money right now, focus on how to find these. So great ways to find deals with no money are wholesalers. That's kind of the easiest way. Now, if you don't know what a wholesaler is, they are people that market directly to sellers. So you've probably seen the flyers in your mailbox, the Facebook ads, the Google ads that say, I'll buy your house cash. If you're looking to sell, sell to me. You want to connect with these people because they're going to send you the deals to your email and you can respond and go, yep, I'm going to buy that. I'm going to figure it out. I'll get a partner on, which I'll talk about in a sec. You'll make it work. So they're finding the deals for you. But a lot of times right now, the market in North America is so hot and real estate's the new cool thing that you have a lot of newbie people, I don't know how to say that, are getting to the market and they're kind of snatching up all the deals that the wholesalers find. So even this area of real estate is getting very competitive, just like the MLS and the realtor section of the market. So what you might want to do is find them yourselves. So you're going to go, if you have no money, so you really can't spend money on marketing and flyers and Facebook ads and stuff like that. Like I said, maybe you can go knock on doors, talk to people you know in your network, whatever you got to do. Pick up the phone in the phone book and call people. I don't know, man, but that's what you got to do when you're starting off, right? Find the deals, spend your time, find other people who are doing this like you, who have no money in your network, join real estate groups, figure out what they're doing. I do this as well, but I spend money on marketing, so it's really easy for us to get leads. But if you don't have any money, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? But the most important thing is find a deal, because then it'll be much easier to attract a partner, right? If you're gonna bring me a deal, let's say, in my area, you're like, Matt, I was door knocking, I found this awesome deal in your market. Do you wanna buy it? I'm like, yeah, sure, dude. Like, we can partner on it. I'll pay you a fee, a quick fee for finding it, like whatever. Like, I'll buy any deal in my area, right? We're buying 4 houses a month. I need more deals, man, because I have the infrastructure where I can buy like 10 a month. So you wanna find real estate investors who are already kicking ass in your area, maybe partner with them, maybe ask them, what do you need? What can I do to help you find more deals? And we'll start there, right? Number 2, then you want to partner with someone who has the money. So basically, to a deal, you have, when you buy a real estate deal, you need money, you need the deal, and then you need the infrastructure. I'm going to draw, I don't even want to draw this, a hammer. That is not a hammer. I don't know what the fuck that is. Basically, you want to have the systems in order to renovate the deal, right? So if you can find the house, and you have the team and the infrastructure to flip that house, all you're looking for is this person here with the money. They have the easy part of the deal. You're doing all the work. So if someone can bring the money and then you can partner together and do a 50-50 split, you can do a 60-40 split, a 30, but you take 30, they take 70, whatever you gotta do to get your first couple deals in. Ideally, obviously, it's 50-50. This is a very realistic structure that I did at the very beginning of my deal hunting or flipping career, right? I did all the partners like this. I found the deal. I brought the systems, which is my renovation knowledge, my contractors. I had the whole thing figured out, packaged up. All I said was, hey, I found this deal. Do you want to do it with me? And some people said, yes, I certainly will for 50-50. That's a great way to start. And I use none of my own money. All I use is my expertise, my knowledge, my systems. I did the work. I overseed the process of the contractors, and I got paid some big bucks. So you're probably wondering, Matt, but how do you find these partners? Like, I'm a nobody. I'm just starting in real estate. I have no proof of concept. I've never done a flip before. This is what you gotta do. Number 1 in this section, become an expert. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while and you know my story, this is exactly what I did. Very young, so no excuses. Because you're like, Matt, this is too hard. There's no way people take me seriously. Dude, when I was 22 years old and I only had 1 property, I became an expert, a theoretical expert, because I didn't have too much proof of concept behind me. So I did all the readings, all the videos watching, I don't know how to speak anymore, I knew all the strategies. Me being a carpenter, I already knew how to renovate properties very, very well. I did it myself with my own hands, so I understood the whole process. I formed a power team, so you could definitely at least do this. So who's on the power team, right? Your realtor, your contractor, your mortgage broker, your insurance broker, your wholesalers, your home stagers. You have the whole infrastructure to do this and the knowledge because you became an expert and you're obsessed and all you're doing is reading, so that when the time comes that you do find a deal and you have the systems and you start marketing to the world, I've got this deal, I've got the whole thing figured out. Who wants to partner with me 50-50? If you do it well enough, and I talk about how to do this well enough in my courses below in the links or even on my YouTube channel for free, if you have truly no money, watch the videos, man. I talk about exactly how to find partners and how to get your brand out there, which leads to the last point right here. Social media branding literally changed my life. So what I did was become an expert, a theoretical expert at first, but everything checked out in real life. And I made videos and I wrote blogs and I posted things and I made ebooks about single family investing in my area. I was the expert. Nobody was gonna come to my area, Kitchener-Waterloo, Ontario, Canada, and do single family properties and not do it with me. Either as a realtor, I'm still a realtor, specializing with investors, or partnering, which is what happened most of the time. I was shouting at the top of my lungs on social media. And why I love social media is because it works when I'm not. Right now, at the time of this filming, I think we have over 800 videos that we've made so far on my YouTube channel. 800 videos working right now. Dude, people are watching my videos right now, learning about me, learning about my systems. So now I'm just getting inundated all the time with people saying, I want to partner with you, Matt. I see your videos. I trust you. I want to partner with you. Trust me, this is how it works. People are longing and looking for others that are experts in their field so that they can make more money with the money that they have. Because a lot of people are too busy. They have kids, they have jobs, they have their own life going on. They have no time to also become a real estate expert and figure out how to do this and then buy it on their own. They don't have time for that. So they're always looking for other people who have become the niche expert that they can just go, you know what, dude? I see your stuff. You know exactly what you're doing. Here's my money. Let's go do something together. And this happens all the time. So the partnering with the 50-50 split, if you can find the deal, is the most important thing. It starts there. Find the real deal, and literally the partners will come if you do the social media marketing very, very well, which is what I advocate for. The old days of how to find partners was going to networking meetings, going to real estate seminars, shaking hands, pitching your deal, pitching yourself. That's old world bullshit. It doesn't work anymore. Now, like I said, we like social media because it works in the background all the time. So if you focus on this and focus on getting the deals at the same time, I'm telling you, this is exactly what I did, I'm telling you, you will grow a very, very awesome business. And how you can flip money with none of your own money. Flip real estate with none of your own money. I still, to this day, use none of my own money, dude. And I flip about 20 to 25 houses every single year. We're buying rental properties, I'm selling stuff. We got this whole business going on, and I still use none of my own money even to this day. I borrow money for all my deals. Oh, that was the next step I want to talk about right before we end this video. So you want to start with the 50-50 partnerships because that gets the ball rolling. You can get some videos done, some before and afters. Now you're starting to build your track record. Now when you go to talk to people or they see you on YouTube or whatever, now you're proven. You want to stop doing the 50-50s eventually. Once you have a track record, you want to raise private funds and pay an interest rate rather than giving someone 50% of the deal, right? Maybe you'll pay between 10 and 15% on average for the private money. Much smarter. You'll make more money on your end than the 50-50s. But at the start, you gotta do what you gotta do when you have no money. And when you have a track record, you can still do it with no money, but I would switch to this model where you just raise the money and do the deal yourself. Anyway, guys, quick video on how to flip with no money. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. If you did, please smash that like button because it helps the algorithm, and smash that subscribe button so we can see more of each other. I'll see you in the next video.